Injuries and things in a first aid kit. Hello everyone, this is Mr. Wong. Today is time for some vocabulary. We all have the experience of getting hurt. When we are injured, we feel painful on our bodies. What kinds of injuries do we usually have? We can use the first aid kit to treat our injuries. What can we find in the first aid kit? Let's talk about those today. We are going to look at some accidents. Are you ready? This is a barbecue site in the countryside. Can you see an ambulance over there? There are 2 emergency workers at the site. An accident must have happened. An emergency worker is treating this girl. What kind of injury does this girl have? She has a broken arm. And the other emergency worker is treating this boy. What kind of injury does he have? He has a broken leg. The emergency workers put bandages to cover the wounds. The children are sweating. It looks like they're in pain. Can you guess what happened? What were the children doing before the accident? Look at the bicycles on the ground. What were they doing before? What accident happened to them? The children were riding bicycles when they crashed into each other and fell. They were probably riding their bicycles very fast and lost control. What about this boy under the tree? What kind of injury does the boy have? He has bruises and cuts on his legs. What's the man putting on the boy's knee? He's putting a plaster on his knee. What do you think has happened? He probably tripped on the root of the tree. Look at Betty's dad near the barbecue pit. He has a burn on his finger. Betty's mom is pouring water onto his finger. Betty's dad probably burned his finger when he was trying to light the fire. Do you think these people are just unlucky? Or were they careless? Could they have prevented the accidents? Okay, now let's listen and say the vocabulary after me. A broken arm. A broken leg. A bruise. It means a blue, brown, or purple mark on our skin. A burn. A cut. It's a wound caused by something sharp, such as a knife. Our skin is cut open and blood comes out. A twisted ankle. An ankle is the part joining the foot to the leg. We have a twisted ankle when it bends in the way that it doesn't usually do. We can't walk properly and it hurts. A bandage. A cotton wool ball. We usually put it on a cut to stop the wound from bleeding. A plaster. Scissors. These are scissors. We use them to cut the bandage into the sizes we want. Well done! Now, let's say the vocabulary one more time. A broken arm. A broken leg. A bruise. A burn. A cut. A twisted ankle. A bandage. A cotton wool ball. A plaster. Scissors. Well done! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned something. See you again in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.